Hello everyone, it is Heather. I'm doing a very brief and quick room tour of our room at H Hotel, a curio collection hotel by Hilton. And this is right next to LAX airport in Los Angeles. I'm doing this very quickly and quietly because it is almost 1 o'clock in the morning. This property shares a building with Homewood Suites, which is also a Hilton brand. We didn't really get a chance to look around the lobby. We came here on the free shuttle that comes every 20 minutes around the loop. Go back and watch my travel day video for more information about that. And it took like 5 minutes to get here. Would you say that's about right? 5-10 minutes? It's not very far. We can actually see the airport parking ramp from our window. And so it shares with the Homewood Suites. The lobby downstairs looked nice. I saw that they had Krispy Kreme donuts and stuff, but we didn't look around because we checked in through the app and just used the digital key. You also need to use your digital key or your key card if you check in the traditional way to get into the elevator. First of all, there is a very big, tall door. I'll show you outside here. We're kind of tucked away in a corner. This is room 1011. This is the hallway. Okay. Cool, funky wallpaper. This door, geez, that was loud, goes into the bathroom. So it's like a barn door, but not. There's a big full-length mirror right here. And there's a nice upholstered chair here that Ben and all our stuff is sitting on. You can take your mask off now. There's 2 queen beds in this room. This is a 2-queen bedroom. It's a decent size. I mean, it's spacious enough. Big, fancy headboard thingy. There's these 2 benches at the ends of the beds, which would be good for like sitting and putting your shoes on and stuff too, but we're using them for suitcases. And then there was 1 luggage rack in the closet. So our 3rd suitcase is there. Thing here with 3 drawers and a very big TV. And looks like a fridge. And there's coffee stuff. There's just plugs here in this lamp. And over here by the bed, there's 1 big drawer. There's a phone. There's an alarm clock. And there's 2 regular plugs and 2 USBs. And there are individual reading lights next to the beds. On both, and they're on both sides, which is nice. And then there's like this center funky light thing. And then we are on the 10th floor. Big, tall. This is a very high ceilinged room. Big, tall windows. We're up very high. And over there, that's parking for the airport. And the Sheraton is right there. And so this is just an overview of the room. And then over here is the closet. The luggage rack was in here. I like this dark blue feature wall. There's an iron and an ironing board in there. Fancy hangers. Checkout time is 11. And then the bathroom is about as big as the room. There's a hook right here for like your robe. And I mean, this is a really spacious bathroom. The toilet comes in its own little room. Nicely folded corner toilet paper. Some modern art on the wall. And it has its own private sort of translucent sliding door. That's different. So when you're in here, come in here to use this, you can shut this door. And then there's a nice shower, also on a glass sliding door over there. Walk-in shower. And 2 sinks. And lots of towels underneath, some tissues. Hair dryer down there, extra toilet paper. And there was verbena and lavender facial soap, and there's also verbena and lavender bath soap, and a vanity kit, and lotion. Oh, and a makeup remover wipe, which I'm gonna snatch I'm not wearing any makeup right now, but these are really handy. So there you go. This is our room at the H Hotel. Very convenient to LAX. We're just here for one night because we got in our flight very, very late. And in the morning, we're going to take the shuttle back over to the airport and pick up our rental car. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you like room tours like this. And be sure to check out my room tours playlist. I'll post it at the end of this video. Have a great day, everyone, and safe travels.